Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this matte brown smoky eyes paired with a nude lip, and this is a sort of makeup look which you can wear with any outfits of your choice, and it looks really nice during this fall winter season. And I have used some new products to get this look. I have tried some new products for getting this makeup look. So if you want to know how these products worked on me and how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I have moisturized my face and I have used this KRONOKARE moisturizing cream, which is a thick moisturizer. Now I'm going to use a primer, and for the primer I'm using this LOTUS ECOSTAY primer. So using a primer underneath your makeup actually helps your makeup last for a very long time. So I'm just taking it and putting on the areas where I have large pores. Now this is the Maybelline Fit concealer in the shade 50 Cafe, which is darker than my skin tone. So using a darker concealer on the areas where you have hyperpigmentation or dark circles or any spots actually just cancels out the darkness. So if you want to get very even out skin tone, you can use a darker concealer as a color corrector. So I'm just doing it and blending the same with the help of my fingers. For the foundation, I'm going to use this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. So this I'll be trying for the first time. So I'm going to take 1.5 pump of this at the back of my hand and just warming it up a little bit, and then just spread it all over my face in small dots. Now taking my beauty sponge, I'm going to blend it, and you can see guys from the first application that this is a full coverage foundation, and a single layer of this foundation has given me such great coverage and covered up my scars, my dark spots, and you can see my face is looking so glowy, and I'm really happy with this foundation guys. You just need to try this one, it's really a great one. For the concealer, I'm using this L.A Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm just putting it under my eyes in the form of a triangle, and all the other usual areas where I just need to conceal, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and blending the same with the help of the sponge. Now for setting my makeup, I'm using this L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact in the shade N6 Nude Honey, and I'm taking it in a big fluffy powder brush, and I'm just setting my whole face with this compact. So you can see this is my base makeup at present. So for the eye makeup, I'm going to use this Bad Habit After Dark palette, which has got lovely warm shades. So I'm at first taking this light peach shade from the palette called Skin and Skin, and just using it as a transition color all over my crease. So you have to build this color a little more because it's more like my skin tone but acts very nice as a transition shade. Now taking this shade called Cheeky, which is more like a light brown shade, I'm just putting it in the outer corners of my eyes and just dragging it towards my crease and blending with the transition shade. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner in the shade Brown. So I'm just taking it and putting it all over my lid, and I will just use it to create a base for my matte brown smoky eyes. I'm just blending it with the help of a stiff blending brush. So the problem with this gel liner is that guys, it just sets very fast, so you have to work very fast, otherwise you will not be able to smudge it. Now I'm taking this dark chocolate brown shade from the palette called Arousal, and I'm just using it as a lid shade all over my lid. So this will just act as the brown, perfect brown all over my lid. Now going back to the palette, I'm taking this shade called Sleep Dress, which is more like a rusty brown shade, and I'm just blending it all over my crease so that my crease look much more blend out and it looks there will be no harsh edges. Taking that same rusty shade from the palette, I'm just running it all over my lower lash line. So taking the dark chocolate brown shade from the palette, which is called Arousal, I'm just gonna put it very close to my lower waterline. This is the Nykaa Eyemblack kajal, so I'm going to just take it and use it to tightline my upper and lower waterline. Now with the help of a smudging brush, I'm going to smudge it to make it more intense and smoky. So you can see this is how my eye makeup looking now. So for the liner, I'm using this L.A Blue Cosmetics Precision Liquid Eyeliner. So I'm going to just draw a regular winged eyeliner with this liner. So this is a complete matte eyeliner, guys, and it looks really nice. For the lash, I'm using this PAC M75 Mink eyelash. So I'm going to just wear it and we'll be right back. So lashes done, guys. Now it's time to coat my lower lashes. So I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. So don't ignore your lower lashes because it adds so much to your eye look. Now for contouring my face, I'm using this blush collection palette from L.A Girl and taking this contouring shade, and I'll be just putting it in the hollows of my face and on my forehead and also on my jawline and on the other areas where I just need to create artificial shadows. Taking this peach pink shade, blush shade from the palette, I'm going to put it on the apples of my face to add a pop of color. I have forgotten to contour my nose, guys, so I'm just taking that same contour shade from the palette and contouring my nose with it. So now it's time to highlight my face, and for this I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, and just take a moment and appreciate how pretty it looks, guys. So I'm just gonna take it and put it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and all the areas where you just need to add so much light. I'm also gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes with the same highlighter and also highlight my brow bone with it. And guys, if you want a perfect highlighter for Indian skin tones, this is the perfect shade for you. So for the lipstick, I'm using this Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha, and it's such a stunning shade. It is a mix of perfect mauve and brown, and it looks so good, guys. Now for setting my face, I'm using this Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I'm just spritzing it, and it sprays so well and it just sets your makeup so good, guys. I really love this product. So this is the finished look. So this is how it turned out, guys. I'm really happy with the finished look. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit on the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press on the notification bell to get more videos like this. Take care. Bye. Love you so much.